Now, Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha flagged off the first batch of Amarnath pilgrims amid multi-tier security cover, marking the beginning of this year's pilgrimage. The devotees for the much-anticipated pilgrimage have reached the first base camp of the Yatra at Tikri village in Jammu and Kashmir. They were flagged off from Bhagwati Nagar base camp where it tightened security earlier today. The Lieutenant Governor said that over 4,500 devotees set off to the Holy Cave Shrine in the first batch on security. He said that the administration and security forces have made elaborate arrangements for the pilgrims. The 38-day pilgrimage to the Holy Cave Shrine will commence from tomorrow from the valley via the twin tracks, the traditional 48-kilometer route in Anantnag district and the 14-kilometer shorter but steeper route in Gandarbal district. According to the officials, more than 3.31 lakh devotees have registered so far for this year's Amarnath Yatra. For more on this story, a special correspondent Idris Sloan is joining us live on the broadcast. Idris, thank you so much for joining us. Of course, the first batch has been flagged off. We know that security remains a big concern. There are many measures in place for that as well. If you could just take us through that and what we can expect.
Well, absolutely. Security does remain one of the major concerns for the authorities in Jammu and Kashmir to basically take care of the Amarnath Yatris from both the routes. We are right now in Pahalgam, which is one of the base camps of the Amarnath Yatra. As you can see, there's a massive traffic jam here. The first batch of Yatris, which was flagged off by the Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir today from Bhagwati Nagar, Jammu, will be reaching the base camp in Pahalgam in another 30 to 45 minutes. That's what we are being told. And checking at every nook and corner, there are places which we are not allowed to shoot on camera. There is a frisking barricade that has been put in place here at Pahalgam, where all the Yatris with their RFIDs will be checked. Their luggage would be checked, and then they'll be sent to the base camp, which is the Nunwan base camp in Pahalgam, where they'll be kept for the night. And with the first light in the morning at around 4:30 to 5 o'clock in the morning, the first batch would be allowed to move towards the Amarnath cave. Let me tell you that around 90,000 security personnel will be guarding the whole Amarnath Yatra, especially the routes from Jammu to Kashmir in Pahalgam as well as in Sonmarg. There are two base camps, one in Pahalgam, another one in the Sonmarg area. On the other hand, there are around 1,200 CCTV cameras that have been installed at various places across the routes for the Amarnath Yatra. This time, security agencies have also introduced facial recognition system by which already been in the pictures of terrorists and over-the-ground workers have already been put in the system. And if at all there is a moment of them in front of these cameras, they will start beeping and security forces can take action. So, foolproof security arrangements in place, a lot of excitement among the Yatris. We also met with some in Srinagar, and the ones from Jammu are also excited. But there is definitely, especially if we talk about the Pahalgam area, there is a little bit of insecurity among the people, and everyone wants the whole Yatra to pass off peacefully.